downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so happy to have you here today. I am actually going to be doing a after dark late night clean with me. Now I know right now it looks light outside, but I actually live in an area where it stays pretty light out until about 10 o'clock at night. But I really wanted to take this time and get the living room cleaned up while my kids were playing outside with my husband. That way when they came back inside to wind down, I didn't have to worry about filming in here and I could just focus on the kitchen.
there's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud.
So I'm not doing anything crazy in the living room. I'm just picking up any trash that might be in here, kind of straightening things up. I am going to be vacuuming. That was another thing that I wanted to go ahead and get done because I don't like to vacuum when my kids are sleeping. Our house has really thin walls and you can hear everything, and I know that they would wake up. So I wanted to get that taken care of as well and just get everything put back in their place so that I could go work on the kitchen.
All these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that
If you are new to my channel, I just wanted to say hello really quickly. My name is Whitney. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have a 4-year-old and an almost 3-year-old. My husband and I live in West Virginia, but we are originally from Maryland, and I make a ton of cleaning and motivation videos here on my channel, so I would love to have you guys subscribe and join the family. We love meeting new people and connecting with you guys here on this platform. It is one of my most favorite things about YouTube.
we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. I know you're hurt, I can see it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts, I can see it in your eyes, babe. But I know you have a
So it is finally dark outside. It is about 9:15 here. We just put the kids to bed and now I wanted to get in the kitchen and get everything picked up. I am going to be doing some deep cleaning in here as well. We did have some Chick-fil-A for dinner, so with Chick-fil-A comes a ton of trash, I feel like. So I am going to go ahead and get all of that picked up, and then I will go over to the island, pick up some stuff off of there, and then get going on the dishes.
sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold
Now I'm laughing at myself right here because I really thought I changed the camera angle and I didn't, so you guys can't even see what I'm doing. So I do apologize for that. I decided to just speed up this clip as fast as I could since you couldn't see what I was doing anyway. And then once I was done with the dishes, I wanted to clean the sink. This is something that I try to do every single night. I love a nice good sink cleaning, and ever since we got this sink put in, I enjoy sink cleaning so much more. I am just going to be using my Dawn Power Wash and a Scrub Mommy to scrub out my sink tonight and get it looking fresh and clean. I thought I would really despise cleaning this, I think it's called an apron. It's the thing that goes on the bottom of a stainless steel sink to protect it from scratching. But if you clean it every single night, you don't really have any problems with stuff caking on there or it taking forever to clean. That is a tip I have for you if you do have one of these, is just take a couple of extra minutes and scrub down the apron, and it just makes it so much easier to keep clean.
Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon. Open up a door to something more. Spun me round.
Something else that I really wanted to tackle in the kitchen this evening was deep cleaning my coffee maker. I used to be really on top of cleaning this thing, but it has been a long time. I don't even know the last time I've cleaned this, so I did take off some of the parts to stick in the dishwasher so that way I could run them and they would be clean for the next morning. And then I am just taking a wet microfiber cloth with some dish soap on it to scrub it down and get it cleaned off. And then I don't show it in the video, but I do run vinegar water through my coffee machine to clean it out, but I do that the next morning. It is something that you're supposed to do every couple of months, but I don't know, time just got away from me and I completely forgot to do this.
When I close my eyes now, like I got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat. Ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole. Got me flirting with disaster, but I'm all in.
That coffee machine left a few stains on this table, so I am just taking a magic eraser to get those stains off and get this table looking nice and bright again.
Close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you, but I know it's true that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. No, nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, no, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that.
Now I'm going to go ahead and make my mop bucket now because I did want to use this Tide powder and hot water mixture to completely clean off my kitchen chairs. Now for the table, I just get in here and use a Method multi-purpose cleaner to wipe it all down. But for the chairs, once a month, I like to just really focus on completely wiping them down and making sure any caked on gunk anywhere is off. Now I do wipe them down daily with just a microfiber cloth and some multi-purpose cleaner, but it doesn't always do the job for me, and there are days where I really need to scrub these things down.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that gray.
These back two chairs here don't really ever get sat in, so that's why I didn't take too much time cleaning them down. But now I'm gonna get in and wipe down all of my cabinets with that same Tide powder and hot water from my mop bucket, and just get all of these nice and clean as well. It had been a while since I have done this. Now if I see like a spot on my cabinet, I'll go ahead and wipe it down while I'm wiping the counters that day. But as far as completely wiping them down, it has probably been about a month and a half since I had last done this. Now I'm gonna get in here and wipe down all of the countertops, the backsplash. I'm also gonna be wiping down all of the stainless steel appliances tonight as well. It is already so late. It is 10 o'clock. I don't know if you guys can see that on the screen there, but I was feeling very tired and ready to go to bed. But I did want to ask you guys, do you prefer to clean late at night when everybody is in bed, or do you like to clean during the weekend or during the week? What is your kind of favorite time to clean? I really do love cleaning at night, but here lately I have just been so tired that I just don't have the energy to do anything, honestly. But I do like to clean at night when my kids are in bed. I just feel like it's very relaxing and you don't have to worry about anybody going in behind you and messing things up. But I also really like to clean during the weekend when my husband is here to help as well. I feel like I can get a lot more done, especially when we tackle the chores together.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
Now I'm gonna get in here and sweep. I don't usually sweep my kitchen, but like I was talking about before, I didn't want to run the vacuum and wake up the kids or my husband because he had to be at work really early the next day and I didn't want to make a huge ruckus. So I am just going to use my broom here and get all of the crumbs picked up off of the floor, so that way I could go ahead and mop and finish off the kitchen.
Inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for tonight's relaxing after dark clean with me. I hope that you enjoyed it and you left feeling my channel inspired and motivated to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!